Most people don't live a bad life. They live an average life. Wake up, go to work, scroll for hours, sleep, and repeat these all things again, day after day, year after year, and dreams slowly disappear. If you feel stuck in life, this video is your wake-up call, because today I'll show you a step-by-step plan to escape average life. Average life feels comfortable, but comfort is dangerous. It makes you lazy, it keeps you distracted, and slowly, it steals your future. Most people are not poor because they lack talent. They stay average because they lack direction, they waste time, they delay learning, they avoid discipline, and then they wonder why nothing changes. But here's the truth. Your life changes when your habits change. Step 1. Decide that average is not enough. Nothing changes until you decide. Not a weak decision, a serious one. Tell yourself, I refuse to live an average life. Because average life is not safe, it is slow failure. The moment you decide you want more, your life begins to shift. Step 2. Learn one valuable skill. This is where most people fail. They scroll instead of learning. They complain instead of improving. But successful people focus on skills. Skills that make money. Skills like digital marketing, video editing, coding, sales, AI tools. One skill can change your income, and income creates freedom. Step 3. Control your time. Average people waste time. Successful people protect it. They don't scroll endlessly. They don't delay important work. They plan their day, because time is more valuable than money. You can earn money again, but lost time never returns. Start small things like reduce useless scrolling. Focus on important tasks first. Use your time wisely, because time discipline creates life discipline. Step 4. Build discipline every day. Motivation feels good, but discipline creates results. Discipline means doing the work even when you feel lazy, learning even when you feel tired, showing up even when you don't feel ready. Small daily discipline creates powerful results. 1 hour of learning daily can change your life in 1 year. Step 5. Take action every single day, not tomorrow, not next week, today. Because excuses keep people average. Action creates progress. You don't need perfect plans. You need consistent action. Even small steps move you forward, but standing still keeps you average. Here's the harsh truth. Nobody is coming to save your future. Not luck, not friends, not time. Your future is your responsibility. If you keep wasting today, you will regret tomorrow. But if you start today, you will thank yourself later. Imagine yourself 1 year from now. You have 2 choices: stay average or grow stronger. Stay comfortable or build your future. Average life is not your destiny. It is your decision, and decisions can be changed. So here's your challenge. Pick one skill and start learning today, not tomorrow, today. And if you want more videos about skills, discipline, and success, subscribe to Inspire Path and start building your future now. Because the life you want starts with the action you take today.